Hello milk tea lovers, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you another delicious recipe, and this is also one of the bestsellers, all-time bestsellers. For the recipe today, I'm going to use the recipes in my book, All Things Milk Tea. It is going to be a lava drink. The star of the show is red velvet. For this, I'm going to use a ready-mix red velvet powder. Because it's a latte, I'm going to use milk, fresh milk here, and I am going to use my milk syrup. Milk syrup, for those that still do not know, if you haven't been watching this channel for a while now, then milk syrup is a combination of sweetened condensed milk and evaporated milk. Here I have condensed milk and evaporated milk. In most countries you don't get the same size, but where I am we have the same size of condensed and evaporated milk. For this, I would recommend that you use 2 cans of condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk. So that is for the milk syrup, and because I would like this to be more like a boba drink, I am going to add some toppings or sinkers, whatever you might call it. It is going to be tapioca pearls, and a special tapioca pearls at that. It is purple tapioca pearls. Let's start by making our red velvet lava for the 12 ounces cup. So this is my red velvet. In my recipe I used scoop, which is 4 teaspoons. For this, I'm using 1 tablespoon because my red velvet powder is very concentrated. So for 12 ounces, I am going to use 1 tablespoon. Now you have to adjust this depending on the strength of your red velvet powder. And then have 1 ounce of my milk syrup. Start to combine, and you get that red velvet color, beautiful red color. So make sure you get the sides and everything is well combined, and you get this beautiful looking red velvet lava. On to our next cup, which is 16 ounces, 1.5 tablespoons of my red velvet powder, so 1.5, okay, 1.5 tablespoons of red velvet powder, and also milk syrup, 45 milliliters of my milk syrup, combine well. So that's for our 16 ounces. On to our third one, which is 22 ounces. For 22 ounces, I am going to use 2 tablespoons of my red velvet powder, 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of my milk syrup, start to combine. It's time to assemble our drinks. I'm going to start with the 12 ounces. For this, I am going to use some bubbles, boba pearls at the bottom, and then ice. 4 ounces or 120 milliliters. And pour my lava over. So as you pour along the sides. And this is for our 12 ounces. On to our next cup, which is 16 ounces. Boba pearls at the bottom of the cup. For the milk, I am going to use 150 milliliters or 5 ounces of milk of your choice. This is fresh milk. 16 ounces onto our third drink, which is 22 ounces. For this, I am going to put my boba pearls at the bottom. For the milk, I'm going to put 6 ounces or 180 milliliters of fresh milk. These are going to be one of your best sellers. Now, it is time to give them a try. While I am reluctant to make a mess of it, although they already look like a mess. Messier, the better for drinks like this. They look tempting indeed. I'm going to try the 16 ounces one. Let's see, once you mix them all up, and you get that beautiful color. Red velvet. You just have to try it. It is very rich, very creamy, chocolatey, red velvet cake in a cup. What more can you ask for? Delicious. Well, there you go. Very easy to make, very simple ingredients. If you have any questions at all, do let me know, comment below. Stay tuned for more of these video tutorials. In the meantime, don't forget to click that subscribe button below. Also, get a copy of my book. Check the description box below on details on how to order. In the meantime, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.